Hello and welcome to localhomebuyersusa.com. This is a demo of our platform. We just recently updated this platform. We got rid of the legacy WordPress uh, bloat that was slowing down our website, was hurting our SEO rankings, and was affecting our business. So we took our tech part of the company, PropTechUSA.ai, and employed them to do what they've done on so many other platforms and create a beautiful, fast, uh, great website that's fully automated and integrated at the highest level. We also took the PropData.PropTechUSA.ai API, integrated that into the local home buyers USA platform to help get our instant offers and offer ranges to the people in real time. Let's take a look and start with the offer. Let's just put in an address. Let's just say what comes up here. And yes, the autocomplete is also part of our API that we have, all in-house technology. So let's just say I'm the owner of this property and I want to sell it, and I want to see what localhomebuyersusa.com is willing to offer. Let's get the ranges. Well, first we got to give it some information. Is it fair, excellent, good, needs work? Do your best in giving us that info. It will impact the offer, and if the offer isn't true to what you say, then obviously that's going to be a game changer later on. Let's just get that nipped in the bud now and give us the reality. If it's fair, that's not a problem. Just put fair. If it's great, excellent, we want to know your timeline. Now, a lot of people don't always understand this, and I want to be transparent here. Your timeline directly, just like the property condition, impacts the value or what the offer is going to be. Why is that? Because cash offers are usually going to come with speed and certainty, but they're going to take equity. If you have more time, can realize more of your equity because we can get you somebody that's going to pay top dollar, a retail buyer. So be honest in that. If you have some flexibility, great. If not, let us know. A lot of people we deal with kind of fall into the 30 to 60 day timeline more often than not. So then you just put your information in here so you can get your instant offer and find out what is it that we would pay for your property. Is it fair? Let's check. Okay, so we laid out three options for you. And again, full transparency. Cash offers are always going to be extremely lower than a retail or listed property. If you're looking for a cash offer and you're looking for retail numbers, those two do not exist. So again, just being transparent. If you have time and you want to get more money and realize more of your equity, there's really two options to do that. One, the traditional route is list with an agent. The other option is our Bees Knees Partner Program. Why would you do the Bees Knees Partner Program versus list with an agent? Because the Bees Knees Partner Program, we partner with you to realize the equity. So if you have some minor things that need to be done with the property, your broker, your listing agent is not going to invest in your property to realize your equity and make you more money. We will, and that's what the Bees Knees Partner Program does. So that's a quick demo and a display of how this platform works. We will show you more soon, and we are thankful for all of you out there that have entrusted us to be your partner or give you that cash offer that you needed for certainty. Please reach out to us at any time. 1-800-858-0588 or visit the website at localhomebuyersusa.com.